Okay, we're going to try take two. So I brought my stool out. We'll jack up in the air a little bit with this. So this is a full container. Yeah. So put that up there high, like that. Preferably where it can fall down on you is always best. Take your lid off. Turn the lights on. Alright, you're going to take your container. All we learned from before is the brassing goes inside of here. And this is the outlet end over here. Tank there a little ways. Now the further down that goes, the better, more head pressure you get. So basically all you do is just go up and down with this here. See, it's already got fuel in it. So if you pull it up, it automatically starts going already, see? You can keep the air bubble up there, but you go like that and get it going. Goes down the hose there a little bit. There it goes. Now it's flowing. And you look down there to see where the container's at. Need to rotate it to the far corner. So you want to make sure it's in the far away the containers you can get. Damn, it's hard to see with this camera. Alright, we're in there now. So now it's draining away. So if you want more head pressure, you jack it up. You get longer hoses or whatever it takes. So right now it's flowing. You don't see it, but it's flowing into the tank. So if you bring that up out of your level, which is right here, you can see it. It'll restart. So you can bring it up. There you go. It's lost all its head pressure. Actually, it kept going. Yeah, it's shocking. There it goes again. It had enough head pressure, kept going. It had enough suction going down. That time I put a bunch of air in there, so it's shut it off. So now you got to start it up again. Where am I at? Am I in the hose? No, I'm down in there. See, the fuel level's down here now, so it's a little bit harder to do. You have to get enough that you don't get air in here. Obviously, it doesn't want to start now. Nope. There it goes. Had to get down to here. Gotta get down to your fuel level. Put it in the corner so it's gonna suck out of the corner. When the fuel level is this low, we had to get head pressure all the way down before it would pump. Otherwise, it just goes back the other way. The valve's kind of stopping that, but the problem is gravity is fighting you from here to here. It lets the air come back up. So, and there are fuel levels right here. I don't hear it coming out. I know it is. See? It's not much head pressure. If you want more head pressure, you pick up the container, raise it to a higher height. It comes out quicker. So if you go up here, it comes out quicker than if it's down low. As it gets lighter, it's easier to hold up in there like this. Fuel level's right here. You can see it. Our last half a gallon or so. You see all the air bubbles come through, you know you lost your head pressure and it's done. There it goes. So how much do we get out of there? See, we got just about every damn drop out of it. So turn the damn camera so I can see what's in there. So see how much fuel is left in there? Basically nothing. Maybe an ounce at most in there out of 5 gallons. And most of that I think has been drained off the side because there wasn't anything when I first looked in there. Alright, so that's how you fill it up. So you can do it on the side of the road, wherever. It works no matter where you're at. Next thing is how do you fill these back up. Now if I had a hose that's a lot longer than that, I can go from there right into there. I don't have that, so we're going to use that pump right there. I don't feel like holding the camera while I'm doing the pumping though. So first thing you gotta do is get the get the big barrel opened up over here. There's no reason for this to be low. Stick these right here. So this holds I don't know what these things hold. They're anywhere from 2.5 to 350 gallons. This one's probably around 270. I don't know. Maybe it's only 250. So if you have a barrel wrench, you gotta screw that. I don't have a barrel wrench. Well, I've got one, I just don't know where it is. This big lid comes off too. So you take that out. Get your barrel pump right here. Goes down inside the barrel. This is just a big barrel. We're going to be pumping on this, so make sure you screw this down a little ways so you don't pull the threads out. Okay, so we need to be close so we can get to it. So. There we go. That looks pretty close. So you take out the hose, put it down inside of there. If you run it down through here, it goes in deeper. There you go. So now it's way down in there. Okay, now for the fun part. You gotta make sure this valve is closed because that's how you shut it off. You let air in it. So that shuts the pump off. And just go like this back and forth. See how the fuel comes out. So there's a plastic devil's valve in here. All you're doing is open this up. Now this will siphon if it was down low enough. It is siphoning here. No, I don't think it was siphoning. The hose is too short. The hose is about the same level as fuel right now, so if I had a longer hose, it would siphon. It started to, but it ran out of head pressure. See, right now it's siphoning. See, it's coming out down there right now. And then it runs out of head pressure. It'd be nice if we could siphon it this far, but like I said, we just don't have enough fuel. We have to jack this thing way up in the air. Need a longer hose. Oh well. That's the way it goes. That means I get to go like this. Get my exercise. It's a good upper body workout. See, you get your arm worked out, you're extended. You got about 15-20 pounds of pull over here on this thing that you're doing. So yeah, it's a good workout. And then eventually it gets full. See, it's still siphoning. It siphons a little bit here and there, but yeah, when the bubbles are going up, it ain't siphoning anymore. Looks like it was still trying to go. Oh well. Well, there's how your tools work. So that will stop. I think it already stopped. Yeah, it stopped. See the air bubble coming in. All right. So there's how you fill out your cans. And then the hose over here. That's how you transfer it over. Now, if you had a longer hose, you put that inside of there and go right to the ground. It'll pump right out, no problem. But you have to have a longer half-inch hose. I don't know if I have one of those. It's quicker and easy for me just to pump it. But anyway, there's how you do it. Fuel transfer 101. Work.